Hey guys, Nate here, X-Rated Motorsports. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome aboard. If you're returning, thank you for returning. So, unfortunately, as you can see in the montage there, or in the beginning there, we was putting this here transmission together. So, that being said, I was hoping this first video on this new system would be Annabelle running, but it didn't turn out to work out that way, and here's the reason why. So the fluid I had leaking at the end of the year, last year, was actually right here. It's probably gonna be impossible to see here, but basically where the circle mark is, this is cracked right here. And we got a crack in the bell housing. I don't know how we missed that, but we did. So, along with some other things we found when I was taking it apart, you can look right here. You can see our little output shaft splines are not quite exactly straight. So, that being said, I had a transmission case sitting here in the garage. It's again just another stock Glide GM case here. But took all the parts, as you've seen in the video, at the beginning of the video, took all the parts from the one transmission and put it in this new case. So I can get this shoved back into Miss Annabelle here, who's gonna do as usual and fight me for the beginning of the season. And that's fine, because that's what the car does for some reason. That being said, so I wanted to post this little short video, I guess, so you can see what's going on. So I'm gonna get this transmission put into this car. I probably won't make a video because I already did that video once and you guys already seen that one. So, and there's no point in seeing it twice. So I'm gonna get that in there, and then hopefully the next video you see of Annabelle will be the car running and driving. And then after that, we'll move forward with hopefully getting to test the car and some test spots. There is one test spot that I really want to make a very clean pass on because it has yet to happen. So it either breaks or the car doesn't work, something happens and doesn't work. And I'm determined to make this car go down that road successfully under the nitrous and the whole works. So that being said, as a goal for the year, like I said before, there's going to be lots of project stuff going on. We're going to get Annabelle back together, hopefully be working on Samara back here. There's some other things coming up that I won't talk about yet, but there's going to be like a whole different type of video series you're going to see on this channel of something different. And then we'll also still have Sweet Pea. Probably once we get Annabelle running and I get some other things situated, which you'll see in the future, we'll get Sweet Pea in here and start fixing the body panels on it, and then getting that done. And then I think the plan is to go ahead and put like a 700 R4 or some overdrive transmission. I really wanted to put a 5-speed in, but eventually my daughter will take the truck back because technically it was hers to begin with. And I'm not sure she'd be able to drive a 5-speed. I'm sure I could teach her, but I don't know if she wants to. So anyways, make sure you guys follow along. If you're subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notifications when we have a new video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a like, leave us a comment. Like I said, we're going to be hopefully doing some traveling this year to some other events other than just our area, so make sure you leave that information in the comments, or you can leave us a flyer at our Facebook page, X-Rated Motorsports, and we'll see you in the next video.